Hi everyone! For today's episode, we are going to learn the days of the week in Bisaya. So if you're learning Spanish or familiar with days of the week in Spanish, this will be very easy for you because both are very similar. So Monday is lunes. Again, Monday is lunes. Tuesday is martes. Tuesday is martes. Wednesday is miércoles. Wednesday is miércoles. Thursday is jueves. Thursday is Friday is viernes. Friday is viernes. Saturday is sábado. Saturday is sábado. And Sunday is domingo. Sunday is domingo. Let's have a quick review. I will say the day in English and I want you to say it in Bisaya. Are you ready? Let's get started. Monday. Monday in Bisaya is, that's right, it's lunes. Tuesday. Tuesday in Bisaya is, that's right, it's martes. Wednesday. Wednesday in Bisaya is miércoles. Thursday. Thursday in Bisaya is jueves. Friday. Friday in Bisaya is viernes. Saturday. Saturday in Bisaya is sábado. Then lastly, Sunday. Sunday in Bisaya is domingo. So how do we say days of the week in Bisaya? So days is mga adlaw. Adlaw stands for day. So it's in plural form days, so we add mga adlaw. Mga adlaw sa semana. Semana is week. So mga adlaw sa semana is days of the week. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!